What's up, everybody? Now, this installment is we're going to take a little look at finger tapping. Yeah, guitarists can't have all of them. Okay. So we can start out. The basics of the finger tap is just as it is, tapping on the note and pulling off to a note underneath. Okay, so I'm sure you get the idea. Again, it's just a simple tap. Okay, hence the term finger tapping. Of course, Eddie Van Halen popularized that with Eruption. Billy Sheehan is known for it as well. So just to start off, like a little primer, I guess, we'll start with something basic. We'll take a C major triad. Of course, the notes being C, E, and G. And what we're going to do is we're going to tap the G, pull off to the C, and hammer on to the E. Right. Enough. Now what we can do, of course, we can move that across. Then go into G, D, and then A. Okay, now if we want to expand on that a little bit, we can throw in the secondary tone, or the key of C, which would be the D. So we throw the D note in there, and then it becomes a 4-note phrase as opposed to just 3. Okay. If we want to stretch it out a little further than that, we can throw in an extra finger on the right hand. Could you use middle or third? It all depends on what you're most comfortable with. Let's take that same shape, going across C, D, and E with G, tapping with this time we're going to add A in. Okay? So it's going to sound a little something like. Okay, and of course if we move that across we have ascending. Let's do that one more time. Okay, so now it becomes a 5-note figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, open A string there for a second. Okay, and then of course, if all those, you can also do minor as well, and all you have to do with that is just lower the third a half step. So again, if we're dealing with C, we would just lower it to E flat. And again, we would tap that out, and we have C minor, G minor, D minor, A minor. Okay, and again, if we wanted to throw in the secondary note, we can do that. So we throw in the D. Okay, and one last thing I'll leave you with is we can also do this with taking A minor pentatonic, for example, and we can tap the notes out. First, we real quick take a look at the minor pentatonic, which is A, C, D, E, G, A, C, D. Okay, so what we can do is we can go A, C, tap out E, we can skip, go G to A, then we can skip, go D to E, tap A, and then C to D and tap G, like so. Okay. Of course, there are more variations you can do on this. You can do it with the major pentatonic. Of course, you can do octave taps with it, you know, like a and whatnot. You know, there's plenty you can do with this technique. Again, if you'd like to learn more, you can go to www.bandtapping.com. Just go ahead and put my name in, hit student sign up, and it'll take you to the lesson, the time, and the amount. And I will be seeing you soon.